How to invite people to like a page on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can invite someone to like a page on Facebook app. Now it's quite simple and easy. First open up the Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then here you'll be able to switch to your page. Now simply switch to the page or switch to the page account, and then what you want to do is head into the profile of the page. Here simply tap on the profile icon and head into page profile. Once this loads up, what you want to do is tap on the manage option that you can see at the profile. Once on manage, scroll down, and on next steps you'll be able to see invite friends for more engagement. Simply tap on the option get started and select it, and this will open up and it will ask you to switch to your personal account to invite your friends to like your page. Now here you can see, as I told you, switch to your BPN personal profile to my main profile to invite friends. Now simply tap on switch profile. Now here what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you can see with the profile beside the liked option. Simply tap on three dots and here you'll be able to find the option invite friends. You can see the fourth option. Simply tap on invite friends and they select all if you want, or select a particular friend that you want, and then simply tap on send invitations and you'll send the invitation to like the page. So this way you can invite people to like Facebook page. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.